Good morning, students. Continue with the same topic. Chapter 3, whole number. We was talking about the operation. Operation word we are already familiar. Operation is a process in which numbers are according to their particular rules. These basic 4 operations are addition. We have completed yesterday, meaning previous video, and today stand for the subtraction. And next for multiplication, and one more next for division. So look at here, subtraction. So to do the subtraction, we use 3 terms: minute, subtrahend, and the difference. Answer of the subtraction is known as difference. Okay, minute and subtrahend, the word you already know. Minute, number from which we subtract something, and subtrahend, which we have to do the subtraction. So first we are learning about the properties of subtraction. Like, first property was the closure property in addition. So look, the closure property for A and B are any two whole numbers where A is greater than B. Students आप bound हो यहाँ पे, where A and greater than B. एडिशन में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था क्योंकि हम वहां पे एडिशन कर रहे थे. एज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टुडे सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो ग्रेटर माइनस स्मॉलर, सो ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी. देन सो लुक इट हियर, ए माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू होल नंबर. सपोज ए इज इक्वल टू 10 एंड बी इज इक्वल टू 3, 7 which is a whole number. Okay, it is must A is greater than B. You can decide B is greater than A also. तब आपको B greater number लेना होगा और A छोटा number लेना होगा. So that is called a closure property in subtraction. Now look, the property number 2. Property number 2 in addition was the additive property of 0. Additive property of 0. Now just look at for the subtraction, subtractive property of 0 for any number, for any whole number A. A minus 0 will be A, but 0 minus A is not equal to A. Students, once I repeat here, A minus 0 is equal to A, but 0 minus A is not equal to A, is equal to minus A, is not equal to A, is equal to A. Okay, I'm writing here this property again. Look at here, for any whole number A minus 0 is not equal to 0 minus A. This is a subtractive property of 0. Now property number 3. एडिशन में प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 3 कौन सी थी? कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, for any whole number A and B, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. You can watch it. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here I am changing the order. 7 minus 10 is not equal to 3. Students, this is minus 3. 7 minus 10 is minus 3, जो कि हम integers chapter में read करेंगे. So property number 3, commutative property, is also fail for the subtraction. Now turn for the property number 4. Property number 4 was in the addition associative law. What? Associative law, grouping property. For any whole number A, B and C, A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. ये equal नहीं है. Look at here, 10 minus 2 minus 3. 10 minus 2, 8 minus 3, 5. नाउ लुक इट हियर, a कितना है 10 माइनस b कितना है 2 and minus 3. Students, integers knowledge in advance is coming here. When the integers chapter will come, we will continue that. So look at here, 10 as it is minus 2 minus 3 का मीनिंग होता है minus 1. क्यों होता है ये हम इंटीजर्स में समझाएंगे आपको दोबारा से. ओके, 10 minus minus plus 1 11. 10 plus 1 11. Are they equal, students? No, they are not equal. This is property number 4. So the name of this property was in addition associative law. So students, except of closure property, commutative, associative and subtractive property is not useful in the subtraction. After learning these all the properties, you can complete your exercise 3C. Which exercise? 3C, in which there are the simple subtractions, simple word problems which we have studied already in our previous classes. So students, do your good and best regular practice of exercise 3C based on subtraction. Thank you and have a very good day.